Hello everyone, I am your coach Zara. This video is a part of our series in the numerical ability that will help you in taking your civil service exam. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. And if you want more review materials, you can get a copy of the most comprehensive civil service reviewer here. Just click the link pasted on the description box. In taking your civil service exam, you will encounter the basic math concepts. And in this video, we will talk about the divisibility rules. Divisibility rules are ways to determine if one number can evenly be divided by another number without actually dividing them. Now, pag-usapan naman natin ang facts about divisibility rules. First, knowing all the rules and memorize it will be a great help when you need to divide both large and small numbers. Second, it will make your math experience easier. So let's start. We will talk about the divisibility rules for numbers 2 to 12. We have here the divisibility rule for number 2. A number is divisible by 2 when the last digit of the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. At para mas lalong maintindihan ang divisibility rule for number 2, here's our examples. First is 98. Ano ang last digit ng 98? And it is 8. At ang sabi sa divisibility rule for number 2 ay kung ang last digit ay even number or 0, it is divisible by 2. At ang 8 ay even number. Therefore, 98 is divisible by 2. Another example is 2,564. At ang last digit ay 4. At ang 4 ay even number. Therefore, 2,564 ay divisible by 2. And another example is 11,326. 6 is the last digit, and we all know that 6 is an even number. Therefore, 11,326 is divisible by 2. Another example is 47. 7 is not an even number, and 7 is an odd number. Therefore, 47 is not divisible by 2. Another example is 331. 1 is also an odd number. Therefore, 331 is not divisible by 2. And the last example is 775,040. And the last digit is 0. Diba ang sabi sa rule, kung ang last digit ay even number or 0, it is divisible by 2. Therefore, 775,040 is divisible by 2. Pumunta naman tayo sa divisibility rule for number 3. A number is divisible by 3 when the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Ibig sabihin, pag pinagsama or pinag-add natin ang mga digits sa loob ng isang number at ang resulta nito ay divisible by 3, ibig sabihin ang original number ay divisible by 3. At para mas lalong maintindihan ang divisibility rule for number 3, here's our examples. First is 33. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 33 is divisible by 3. Another is 243. 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 243 is divisible by 3. And the last is 8,135. 8 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 17. And 17 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 8,135 is not divisible by 3. Dumako naman tayo sa divisibility rule for number 4. A number is divisible by 4 when the last two digits is divisible by 4. For example, 56,724. and the last two digits of the number is 24. And 24 is divisible by 4 because 24 divided by 4 is 6. Therefore, 56,724 is divisible by 4. Another is 475, and the last two digits is 75, and 75 is not divisible by 4. Therefore, 475 is not divisible by 4. Another is 117,890, and 90 is the last two digits, and 90 cannot be evenly divided by 4. Therefore, 117,890 is not divisible by 4. And the last example is 2,344, and the last digit of the number is 44. And 44 is divisible by 4 because 44 divided by 4 is 11. Therefore, 2,344 is divisible by 4. Next na pag-uusapan natin ay divisibility rule for number 5. A number is divisible by 5 when the last digit is 0 or 5. Dito sa divisibility rule for number 5 ay dalawa lang ang dapat nating tandaan kung ang last digit ay 0 or 5. For example, 55. Ano ang last digit ng 55? It is 5. Therefore, 55 is divisible by 5. Another is 170. At ang last digit ay 0. Therefore, a number is divisible by 5. 375. Ano ulit ang last digit? It is 5. Therefore, 375 is divisible by 5. Another is 7,873. At ang last digit nito ay 3. Therefore, the number is not divisible by 5. Another example, 9,345. At ang last digit ay 5. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. 2,341. At ang last digit nito ay 1. Therefore, 2,341 is not divisible by 5. Next is divisibility rule for number 6. A number is divisible by 6 when the number is divisible by 2 and 3. Dito sa divisibility rule for number 6, dalawa ang kailangan nating masatisfy. Kung ito ba ay divisible by 2 at divisible din ba ito by 3. At para mas lalo nating maintindihan, here's our examples, 516 and 3,408. First, let us check kung ang 516 ay divisible by 6. Check muna natin kung ito ay divisible by 2. Ano ang last digit ng 516? It is 6. And 6 is an even number. Therefore, 516 is divisible by 2. Check din natin kung ito ay divisible by 3. 5 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 12. And 12 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 516 is divisible by 3. So, overall, 516 is divisible by 6. Check din naman natin ang 3,408. Ano ang last digit ng 3,408? It is 8. And 8 is an even number. Therefore, 3,408 is divisible by 2. Check muna natin kung ito ay divisible by 3. 3 plus 4 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 15. And 15 is divisible by 3. So, 3,408 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 3,408 is divisible by 6. Let's talk about the divisibility rule for number 7. A number is divisible by 7 when the last digit of the number is doubled and then subtracted from the remaining numbers, and then if the new number is divisible by 7, the original number is divisible by 7. To further understand, here's our examples, 413 and 1,122. First, check muna natin kung ang 413 ay divisible by 7. Ano ang first step natin? Take the last digit. Ano ang last digit ng 413? It is 3. Then, double the digit or times 2 natin. So, 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And then, our last step is subtract from the remaining numbers. So, 41 minus 6 is equal to 35. And 35 is divisible by 7. Therefore, 413 is divisible by 7. Next, tingnan naman natin ang 1,122 kung ito ay divisible by 7. Ano ulit ang ating first step? Take the last digit. Ano ang last digit ng 1,122? It is 2. So, times 2 natin. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then, ano ang remaining number? It is 112. Minus 4 is equal to 108. And 108 is not divisible by 7. Therefore, 1,122 is not divisible by 7. Next, we have the divisibility rule for number 8. A number is divisible by 8 when the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Para mas lalo nating maintindihan ang divisibility rule for number 8, let us see some examples. 2,136 and 71,245. First, check muna natin ang 2,136. Ano ang last digit ng 2,136? It is 136. By simply dividing 136 divided by 8, the result is 17. Therefore, 2,136 is divisible by 8. Next, pag-usapan natin ang 71,245. Ano ang last digit ng 71,245? It is 245. By simply dividing it, 245 divided by 8 is equal to 30, remainder 5. We get this through the long division method. So, 71,245 is not divisible by 8. Now, we have the divisibility rule for number 9. A number is divisible by 9 when the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. This divisibility rule for number 9 is just the same on the divisibility rule for number 3. I-add lang natin ang mga digits, and if the result is divisible by 9, therefore the original number is divisible by 9. For example, 2,314, 15,345, and 415,377. Let us check if 2,314 is divisible by 9. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to 10, and 10 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 2,314 is not divisible by 9. 15,345. So 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 15,345 is divisible by 9. And 415,377, so 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 27, and 27 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 415,377 is divisible by 9. Pag-usapan naman natin ang divisibility rule for number 10. A number is divisible by 10 when the last digit is 0. Madali lang natin matukoy kung ang isang numero ay divisible by 10 siya because titingnan lang natin kung ang last digit niya ay 0 o nagtatapos ito sa 0. For example, 12,540. Ang kanyang last digit ay 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. 17,336. Ang kanyang last digit ay 6. Therefore, it is not divisible by 10. Another example, 75,690. Ang kanyang last digit ay 0. Therefore, it is divisible by 10. 240. Last digit ay 0 ulit. Ibig sabihin, it is divisible by 10. Another, 571. Ang kanyang last digit ay 1. Ibig sabihin, it is not divisible by 10. And lastly, 1,000. Ang kanyang last digit ay 0. Therefore, 1,000 is divisible by 10. We have here the divisibility rule for number 11. A number is divisible by 11 when subtracting the last digit from the number formed by the remaining digits. If the new number is divisible by 11, the original number is divisible by 11. Para mas lalo nating maintindihan ang divisibility rule for number 11, let us have here some examples. 242 and 1,529. First, let us check if ang 242 ay divisible by 11. Ano ang ating first step? First, we have to get the last digit. Ang last digit ng 242 ay 2. And then, subtract the last digit from the remaining numbers. Ang remaining numbers natin ay 24. Minus 2 is equal to 22. And 22 is divisible by 11 because 22 divided by 11 is 2. Therefore, 242 is divisible by 11. Another, let us check if 1,529 is divisible by 11. Let us get the last digit, and the last digit is 9. And then subtract the last digit from the remaining numbers. And the remaining numbers is 152 minus 9 is equal to 143. 143 is divisible by 11. Therefore, 1,529 is divisible by 11. Lastly, we have here the divisibility rule for number 12. A number is divisible by 12 when the number is divisible by 3 and 4. For example, 144 and 1,032. Check muna natin kung ang 144 ay magiging divisible by 3 ba siya and divisible by 4 so that it will be divisible by 12. So, 1 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. Therefore, 144 is divisible by 3. So, check muna naman natin kung ang 144 ay divisible by 4 ba siya. So, tingnan natin ang last 2 digit niya which is 44. So, 44 is divisible by 4 siya because 44 divided by 4 is equal to 11. So, all over, 144 is divisible by 12. So, let us check naman kung ang 1,032 ay divisible by 12. So, 1 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. And 6 is divisible by 3. Another, let us check if 1,032 is divisible by 4. So, ang last digit ng 1,032 is 32. And 32 is divisible by 4. Therefore, 1,032 is divisible by 12. And that's the divisibility rules from numbers 2 to 12. I hope that you have learned something. Now, it's your turn to answer the exercises I have prepared for you. I have prepared 8 item multiple choice question. You have to choose the letter of the correct answer. Each item I will give you 5 seconds for you to answer it. And after the allotted time, I will flash the correct answer on the screen. So, good luck! Are you ready? So, number 1. which is divisible by 2. And the correct answer is letter D. Number 2. Which is divisible by 3? And the correct answer is letter A. Number 3. Which is divisible by 4? And the correct answer is letter B. Number 4. Which is not divisible by 5? And the correct answer is letter D. Number 5. Which is divisible by 6? And the correct answer is letter A. Number 6. Which is divisible by 7? And the correct answer is letter C. Number 7. Which is divisible by 10? And the correct answer is letter C. Number 8. Which is not divisible by 12? And the correct answer is letter D. So thank you so much for participating in this activity. For those who get the perfect score, I would congratulate you. And for those who did not, you can go back to this video discussion. Good luck on your civil service exam.